On today's menu, an easy recipe to spice up your life. Vegan Saag Tofu. I'm Will Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, if you haven't already, be sure to check out my free ebook that I've put together just for you. And it has 5 incredible, easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to inspire you to get started with cooking today. You can click the link above or a link in the description box below to download that now. Indian recipes are absolutely amazing because they're so delicious, so beautiful, and it is incredibly easy to make. Bring 1.5 liters of water to boil. Roughly chop 150 grams fenugreek. Fenugreek in to boiling water. Add 300 grams spinach. Add a generous pinch of pink salt and boil for 2 minutes. Dry 300 grams of extra firm tofu with a paper towel. Chop your tofu into bite-sized cubes. Transfer the greens to a food processor or a blender. Puree the greens on medium-low. Saute pan, medium-high heat, a drizzle of olive oil. Add in the tofu when the pan just starts to smoke. The color on that amazing tofu is incredible. Set aside the tofu. 1 onion finely sliced. 1 small piece ginger finely chopped. 1 tomato, diced. Medium-high heat, olive oil, onions, ginger, one teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon pink salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Tomato. Saute for another minute. Pureed greens. One can coconut milk. Stir. When it comes to a boil, turn the heat to medium and simmer for 5 minutes. And you can see that a lot of that flavor that was stuck to the bottom of the pan is all brought back out, and nothing is sticking to the pan. Just amazing. Tofu. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Plate. you can now make this incredible flavor-packed dish with absolute confidence. It just smells and looks incredible. That is so packed with flavor. Really, really comforting. And searing that amazing tofu is totally worth the time and effort. Serve this alongside with some amazing basmati rice, and you have yourself an amazing meal. Just incredible. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.